Welcome back to Beautyistic. Ever find yourself struggling to find the perfect mascara that truly delivers on its promises? Length, volume, and that irresistible curl? If you've ever wished for a mascara that can handle your busiest days without budging, you might just want to hear about this one. Today, I'm reviewing the Laura Geller Kajal Longwear Mascara, and it claims to be a triple threat: lengthening, volumizing, and curling. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First, a little background on this mascara. The Laura Geller Kajal Longwear Mascara is designed to give you bold, defined lashes with a formula that promises to stay put from morning until night. Inspired by Laura Geller's iconic Kajal Longwear eyeliner, this mascara is enriched with rich black pigments that offer intense color. But it's not just about boldness, it's about nourishment too. Packed with ingredients like synthetic beeswax, carnauba wax, pea protein peptides, and shea butter, this mascara works to condition and nourish your lashes while giving them the volume you crave. When I first opened the tube, I was immediately struck by the innovative curling brush. It's specially molded to grab and coat every lash, even the smallest ones in the corners of your eyes. I was curious to see if this design would actually make a difference, so I put it to the test. Let me tell you, applying this mascara was a breeze. The brush did indeed grab each lash, and the formula went on smoothly without clumping. I noticed that the lashes were lengthened immediately after the first coat. The formula is buildable, so you can go in for a second or third coat to achieve your desired look. For me, the first layer gave enough definition, but I added another layer for a more dramatic, voluminous effect. The curl lasted throughout the day, which was a pleasant surprise. No drooping or loss of volume as the hours passed. However, I did notice that the formula can be a bit thick, so if you're someone who prefers a more natural, feathery lash look, you may want to be careful with how much you apply. It's definitely on the fuller side, so be prepared for some bold lashes. If you're going for more of a no makeup look, this might not be your best option. Let's talk about the pros first. The biggest plus here is that the mascara really lives up to its claims of lengthening, defining, and curling. My lashes looked visibly longer, and the curl held all day without needing a touch-up. The brush design is another standout, super easy to use and grabs every lash. Plus, the nourishing ingredients are a nice touch for those of us who like a little extra TLC for our lashes. On the flip side, the cons are the thick consistency and the buildup. If you tend to layer mascara for maximum volume, it can get a bit heavy, and you might risk some clumping. Also, while it claims to be long wear, I did notice a tiny bit of smudging towards the end of a very long day, especially in hotter weather. Not a deal breaker, but something to consider. As for value for money, this mascara is definitely on the pricier side, but when you factor in the longwear formula, nourishing ingredients, and impressive performance, I do think it's worth the investment. If you're looking for a mascara that'll give you dramatic lashes without the need for constant touch-ups, it's a solid choice. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are some other mascaras out there that do a similar job for less. I also looked at a few alternatives, and while many come close, this mascara's unique curling brush and nourishing ingredients set it apart. If you're looking for something more affordable, you might want to check out Maybelline's Lash Sensational or L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise, both of which offer great volume and definition for a lower price. Now let's touch on build quality. The packaging is sleek and sturdy, and the wand is designed for easy application, which I appreciated. As far as longevity goes, this mascara holds up well throughout the day. No flaking or major smudging, just a bit around the edges after long wear. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, I haven't had to reach out to customer support for this product, but Laura Geller's brand is generally known for good customer service, so I'd expect any issues to be addressed promptly. To wrap things up, the Laura Geller Kajal Longwear Mascara truly delivers when it comes to length, volume, and staying power. It's perfect for those who want bold, defined lashes without the constant need for reapplication. While the price is on the higher side, you're paying for a premium product that works. If you like your lashes thick, long, and bold, this mascara might be just what you've been searching for. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.